In this video, we'll be going over the process of opening up G-code files within myCNC, which are loaded in directly from a USB drive that you have plugged into your computer. And the typical issue that arises is that when you go to open a new file, by using this button in the top left corner, you only have access to a certain folder on your computer that has been already predefined, so you don't have access to the actual USB drive that you have just plugged in. And to change that, we can go into our main menu, our settings, configuration, preferences common, and here in the NC code folders section, we can add a new line that will say /media/. And this will give us access to all of the USB drives that we may have plugged in to our computer. So for example, I have plugged in a drive called myCNC, and let's see if that works now. We will save our settings, we'll go back to the main screen, we go to open a file, we go into the myCNC folder, we see the myCNC flash drive, go into work, G-code, plasma, and then we can see some G-code files that are available to me. So this is the way to set up the process of opening up G-code files directly from your USB drive, and it is useful if you're going to be using a number of different USB drives to just plug into the computer. Let's say you are only using this one drive. It will always be called the same, you will always have the same folder. You can save yourself a little bit of time by just adding this folder that I have already created into the NC code folders list. So if we go back, we can simply add this file path, which is media /myCNC /myCNC /work /G-code. So in this case, we will only have access to this particular flash drive with this particular name and this particular folder. So it is not very convenient in cases where you will have many different flash drives being plugged into your computer, perhaps by different users or operators, but it is useful if you are only using a single drive and would like to save yourself a little bit of time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please visit our documentation at docs.pv-automation.com for more information.